To actually explore the passages, simply click on Share a Passage, and you'll actually see that there are multiple pages of passages. You can filter the passages by clicking on the Filter tool, and because we changed the actual preferences to include the Fountas Pinnell level, you can actually go in and say, I want to look at any book from level E to level G. And then I also only want to see the Fluency Tutor level content, and click Apply these filters, and it'll go through and you'll notice that each of the levels are listed. You can even sort them by clicking on the column, and it'll sort by the level. So right now that's level E. If I click on it again, it'll sort by in the descending order there. So I'm going to actually go back to the ascending order, and then I can go through and select a passage. If you want to view the passage, just click on it, and it'll actually show you the passage.